All right, well, I got a phone call in between that one, so these were the two Morgans I just opened up. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Morgans. I mean, absolutely gorgeous, drop dead, mirror-like. So I don't know if I'm going to edit the first intro video with this one, or maybe this will just be my video. So anyways, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is so far what I've opened up. I do have this big giant box to open up. I think it's all coin supplies though, so that won't be so exciting. Like old coin supplies though, and like old Mint State, not Mint State, US Mint boxes. And let's see what else we got here. So let's open up this next one. Usually when these are sent, I'm actually surprised that this seller could send it this way, because this, first of all, is a padded envelope. This is how you ship the flat rate stuff through eBay, but it's not supposed to have bubbles in it, so I'm actually surprised they got away with it. But let's see what we got inside, and it feels like a graded coin. Yeah, you're not supposed to be able to ship stuff, but I guess it makes sense. I got a really good deal on this. I don't know, what do you guys think? I actually like this coin design, so I picked up some Mint State 67s, really dirt cheap. This is actually the cheapest listing on eBay for an NGC held coin of any type. So I know it's only 25 cents, but the pop count on these is only like 300 and something. And this is my experience. I went and got a ton of the Crossing the Delaware quarters because they were one of my favorite quarter designs of 2021 at the time. And this one right here with Aomai Kaiki is really cool. I just like the way they designed this coin. So they have her, her face, her head just part of the actual mountainside of Hawaii. I think it's cool. This is whatever, right? We're used to seeing this. But, and this is a San Francisco mint. So you can only get these from those San Francisco minted rolls. They did not sell the San Francisco minted roll separately. They come with a P, a D, and an S mint roll. So you had to actually get like all three rolls. Those were sold out. So this is, if you're going to get a rare quarter, like if you really like this design, get the highest one you can afford and the one with the least amount minted, which is the San Francisco Mint Mark. So there are Mint State 68s of these that sell for like $250. There's a Mint State 67 PL that someone's asking like $280 for, so it actually does look proof-like. And the PCGS Mint State 67 sell for like $30. So I'm going to hold on to these. I actually ordered more of them. But even if you guys are not a huge fan of buying graded stuff, you can pick these up. There's another eBay seller. I think what did he say? He had like 180 remaining. And guys, he's only asking like $9.50, or I'm sorry, $9 with free shipping. So I highly recommend you pick this up. You will not be sad because next year you can probably sell it for $30, $35. So you're not going to lose on something like this. And it's a very tiny investment. I mean, seriously, guys, you can't even send a quarter in yourself for under $10 to NGC to get graded. So you'd have to buy the rolls, which you can. You can buy rolls of the San Francisco Mint. Then you have to send them in yourself. Economy. This guy, or there's I think two sellers. They do this every time. They'll just get some newer minted products. They'll send a bunch in. They make their money by getting Mint State 68 or Mint State 69 quarters that nobody else has. So they make like thousands of dollars on those when they resell them, or they keep them for themselves. And then they just blow this stuff up because they want to get their money back on their grading fees. So I highly recommend that. All right, that's enough time on that quarter. Whoa, I just dropped you guys. And here is those two Morgans. Again, I forgot what I paid for these, but these are absolutely beautiful. I don't know what's going on. Oh, that looked like there was an error in the coin. These are absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to hold these for you here. We've got some mirror here, so we definitely got proof-like on the reverse. Frosty Eagle, absolutely gorgeous. S for San Francisco Mint Mark. Other than that, man, like the rim, the edges, beautiful. I like the original toning of it. And we actually have deep mirrors on the obverse. So you see my fingernail. Very frosty Morgan, beautiful clear cheeks. Man, guys, if this came back deep mirror proof like Mint State 65, you would easily have $1,000 coin in your hand. So I'm super, super happy about this one. Again, I might be going nuts over the grade, but even a Mint State 63 proof like would be like at least a $500 coin. So I'm super happy to have this in raw condition. And then here's a deeper look of the 1879 San Francisco Mint. Again, I love these frosty, like it's so hard to get these even at a local coin shop because they're not dummies. They're going to send that in to get graded or ask really, really big bucks for them. So I really like the original look of this one. 1879 is the second year of the Morgan. It's got a little more wear than that 1878, but still, this easily Mint State 63 coin, maybe higher. Maybe you get a proof like just because of the reflectiveness on the reverse. There's also some on the obverse, and I don't think anyone's messed with this coin. So that possibly could be a $500 coin as well if it came back proof like with a higher grade. So super happy to have these. I will get these listed. Again, I'm here to share the hobby with you guys. Yeah, it's cool. I get to keep these, but when I get like really, really nicer ones like this, I kind of list them higher because I think they're well worth it. And a lot of my buyers have been happy when they purchase stuff from me. And some of you guys send the stuff to get graded, this and that. I mean, which is cool, but whatever you guys want to do. All right, so I'm gonna get this big box. Let me get it in my coin booth. Let me pause real quick. All right, I have not opened this yet, so I'm going to record opening this. Because I think like half the unboxing videos on YouTube are fake, where a guy would be like, look what I got. I got a gold coin in my coin roll hunt. Or look, my coin rolls are all like filled with silver. It's like, yeah, that's awesome, dude. You got like over 10,000 views because you planted those silver coins, and they never like show them doing like an original unboxing. It's always like they kind of show the roll in their hands opening up, and then there's like magically silver coins in there. I don't believe that stuff. Like, open it live if you want us to believe you. All right, so I'm gonna leave it like this, and then I'm just gonna grab stuff and then show you guys. So I got this entire box. Oh man, this guy did like a really good job packing it too. So 2021 silver proof coins, like what does that mean? I don't know. I mean, this guy packed, like the packing material in here alone, like just the bubble wrap and stuff is worth 60 bucks. So I have I got to do a listing of a bunch of coin supplies. What is this? Like, what did he do? So I got to get this stuff like listed myself, but I like to kind of do this to kind of save the hobby as well. So sometimes people are like, oh, you know what? These are actual coins I bought. All right, I thought these were cool. If you guys follow my channel, you know my obsession with some of the modern stuff. If I really like it, I'm just going to keep buying it. So yeah, here. All right, let's get. Okay, here. Okay, this was the coin that came out in the mint set. With my most favorite, the Crossing the Delaware. So this is the Tuskegee Airman. So I think that's cool. Yeah, it's an annex holder, kind of like Don't Care. That's an annex holder. Here's a Proof 70 dime. So this particular seller, I bought all his coin supplies that he had listed, and then I bought these coins, so he placed them in there, which is cool. Saves us both on shipping and stuff. But here is, well, I really like the Kenny. Like, I've always been a big fan of this one, so it's very cool to get a Proof 70 and a 2021S. So I'm going to be selling all these, but this is the real reason I bought this. So for the price I paid for all four of these, the value I believe is in this one if I just were to sell this one. So I'm definitely going to make good money on it, but I love the Crossing the Delaware. This is my most favorite modern coin design. I don't know why. I think it's just really well done. And the proof really, really jumps out on you. So you've got obviously Washington pointing his saber, and then you got these guys crossing the Delaware in the boat, you know? So very, very cool. And I love this design. Not a huge fan of the newer design quarter, although I do like the, where the heck did it go? All right, well, I don't even know where it went now, but I don't know, like this design here just reminds me of like what a quarter is supposed to look like. So what do you guys think of that? Does that make sense? Am I out of my mind? I don't know. All right, so what else do we get in here? We got this. All right, this is a really, I don't have a old school blue one like this. So these are cool. These are at least worth $10. So always happy to have one of those. And let's see what else we got here. So we got some Apollo 11 50th anniversary. So I did not order these from the Mint. Wow, so it's got the certificate. They actually did a velvet case. So this is before the US Mint got ultra cheap. And really, really nice. Okay, interesting. Why is this like sticking out like that? All right, it doesn't matter. Very cool case for a silver dollar. So it's like, well, dude, why would you buy this stuff? Well, chances are there's someone out there that has this raw coin, or they have a graded one and they just want like the original box that they got from the Mint. So something like this actually does have at least a $10 value to somebody. Sometimes people even spend like $5-10 just for the certificate of authenticity. So, yep, here's another one. And again, these cases alone, and this one actually has the coin holder. So that I could probably ask a little bit more, because the original US Mint boxes, or not boxes, the holders for the coins, sometimes those are hard to come by. So that's really nice. Got another one here. Just gonna check these out. So I don't know, guys. Have you ever bought stuff like this before? Like, is this stupid? Like, am I saving the hobby? Again, I'm gonna be the guy taking the photos, listing this stuff on eBay. Holy smokes, dude, this alone's worth $50. Look at this bag. Jeez, this guy hooked me up. Wow. Maybe this guy's getting out of the hobby, but okay. You go to your coin shop, these, this one's jacked up, but these alone are at least $1. Some of your coin shops can sell them for maybe 50 cents, but okay, that's for halves. I got I don't know what these are. They're like all kinds of weird holders where you put the coins in. I don't know what this is. This is a tube for pennies. Dude, this guy, like, oh, that's awesome. Like, these are holders. That's a holder for half. I think these are for dollars. Yeah, this guy obviously did some cracking out. I've actually, if you watch my channel, I've actually ordered, like, that's from Annex, right? But I've actually ordered and like the cheapest half, the cheapest quarter, the cheapest nickel just to get these. So when I'm photographing coins, I put my coin inside after I've taken the photo of it in my palm, and I'll take of it, like I'll do the coin like this, sideways, sideways, do the reverse like this, sideways, sideways. So that way my big fingers aren't over the actual coin. It's in the actual plastic holder, and all you're seeing is the coin. So very, very cool that they included this. Man, what else is in here? Dude, this is some good stuff. Now, some of this stuff is like, I wouldn't say like garbage, but like that's cool. That's probably older than me, man. Super, super cool. All right, well, that's a bag of holders, which is cool. Those go for at least $1 more a piece. Here's what else is in the bag here. So some more holders. Oh, I don't have little ones. That probably holds like a 10th ounce gold. All right, so that's awesome. What do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this bag alone is like $12 in parts that I can use or resell. Got some certificates here for the West Point Lincoln edition. Don't know what's inside here. So it's just a certificate. Okay, collect all 3. All right, don't know what that is, but we'll set that aside. We got a congratulations set. I've done a video on this. I actually think I bought the 2021, and like a dummy, I opened them, and they're like, yeah, dude, you should not have opened them if you want to sell them, because people like to keep them sealed. Then they send in the sealed one to get graded, so they actually get congratulations set. I'm like, I don't understand that, but I guess what you could do, because this is the same coin that you get with other proof sets, you could like swap the coin out. So if you send in to PCGS or NGC and it's open, they don't give you the congratulations set designation because you could have swapped the coin out. So anyways, this would be perfect for someone that needs a congratulations set holder. I don't know. Is that worth it to somebody? I don't know. Maybe someone has a nice mint state or proof 70, and they need this to complete their collection. But yeah, this guy put his address on here. Wow. Look how cheap these were. Oh, I'm going to make sure this doesn't have his address on it. All right. So he has his invoice in here. I'm sure he didn't mean to leave it in here, but look at this, guys. You could get the congratulations set, which was a proof American Silver Eagle, for $65.50. What do they charge now? Like $85 or $90? All right, that's funny. So 2020 is basically when I got back into the hobby. So I always find it entertaining when I see like these older invoices. I really think it's hilarious when people like have Morgans, like, you know, encased with like old prices on them of like $4 or $5. It's like, man, how old is that price tag on there? All right, got some like cartoon stuff here. 2020 Basketball Hall of Fame's kid set. Never have seen this before. All right, all right, so you'd open it up, and then there's a basketball in here that obviously he tore out, and then the coin itself, and it flips back and forth. Okay. Preserving history. So we're trying to get kids involved, yet we're using cartoon figures that look like stuff that my brother would watch when he was like 10. That was like over 30 years ago. So not so sure the U.S. Mints, if that's hip enough for kids. I don't know. Ooh, could you imagine if this coin was in here? That is so cool. So 2009 high relief double eagle gold coin. This is, I think, just this. Look at this, dude. Gold pages, man. All right, this has never like really been open. It's like crusty as I open this, but this is literally just the certificate. Holy smokes. Beautiful literature here. Look at this. Ed Moy, what's going on, Ed? Showing the gold bars that we supposedly have in Fort Knox. I don't believe it. I'm just kidding. This isn't a conspiracy channel. Whoa, dude, what is all this? Showing you how they designed it. I guess this was high tech, right? Back in 2009. Here's the clay model. Oh, man, that's so cool. What a cool book. So I'm going to read through this just because I'm going to do that off camera, obviously, but I think that's really cool. And this thing's heavy. Like, can you imagine, like, they used to actually give this to you when you bought a mint product? Like an actual book. Super, super cool. Okay. What is this? This was in there? What is this? No way. This is so cool. Oh, it's like you can... Is this real money? Micro Machines money, 1977. Too bad it's not 76, the year I was born. But man, this is freaking cool. What is that, Lucite? All right, guys, we're gonna have to do like a part 2 video, and I'm gonna show you why. Like, look at like, there's way more stuff I got to go through. So we're gonna do this in a 2-part series. That's freaking cool, man. All right, I'll catch you on the next one. hopefully the part 2 will be right here. Also, my food's here too, so I'm going to eat and then I'll come back and do part 2 of the video.